morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your English teacher, and today we are going to start the part 3 of the chapter number 1, Bunty's Butterfly. This is part 3 of this chapter. In part 1 and 2 we have already discussed and seen that Bunty brings a butterfly that is a live creature for his biology project. He takes that butterfly to his biology teacher. His biology teacher and all the students of his class be thankful for seeing that living creature because it is very beautiful and colorful, and seeing a butterfly for them so closely is very difficult. So they all thanks Bunty for that, showing that living creature. Now students, we will come to the next reading part or the further reading part of this story. Students, put the finger where I am reading. When he reached home, he placed the jar carefully on his study table and went to bed. However, Bunty could not sleep. He got up around midnight and decided to take a look at the butterfly. He went to the table and lightly patted the lid of the bottle. Here, patted means to open the lid of the bottle with the light hands. The butterfly did not move. Thinking that it was sleeping, he shook. Here, shook is the past tense of the shake. Past tense of shake. So, shook means to shake. The jar some more. The butterfly fluttered its wings weakly and lay still. Bunty becomes nervous and shook the bottle some more. But the butterfly did not move. Sitting on his bed, he stared at the jar for a long time and suddenly got up. He knew now what he had to do. Holding the bottle tightly in his hand, he ran outside. The air was fresh and cool. He went to the backyard of his house and quickly opened the lid of the bottle and started shaking it gently. Slowly, the butterfly started to move as if waking from a deep sleep. Bunty watched in wonder as it perched itself on the edge of the bottle and flapped its colorful wings. Bunty stood very still and waited to see what would happen next. Just then there was a loud thud, that means a loud sound or a heavy sound behind him, and he turned around. A coconut had fallen from the tree. When Bunty turned back and looked at the jar, he found the jar empty. The butterfly had gone. He sat staring at the empty bottle for a while, feeling a little emptiness himself. But he was happy that he had sent the butterfly back to where it belongs, to nature, to its freedom. So students, here the reading part is complete. Now we will come to our explanation part of this chapter. So it is very difficult for Bunty to catch the butterfly. But he do that. So Bunty catch the butterfly and put it into the glass jar. Bunty get ready for his school and go to the school to show the butterfly to his biology teacher, because Bunty has captured the butterfly for his science project. When Bunty reached at the school, the teacher and the students and his classmates, that means the classmates of Bunty, being happy about seeing that live creature, because it is very difficult for all of them to see the live creature so closely. So the Bunty teacher tell all the students to thanks Bunty for making it possible to see the live creature so closely. Then Bunty go to home. When Bunty reached home, he put the glass jar on the table and went for sleeping. But around midnight, between the night, he woke up and looked at the butterfly and saw that butterfly was not moving. So Bunty got worried about the butterfly and shake the jar, but the butterfly did not move. So now Bunty ran outside because he knew that butterfly needs the fresh air and oxygen to survive. He went out of his house and opened the bottle lid and started shaking the bottle. Now the butterfly moved slowly. As he was waking from a deep sleep, Bunty felt but wondered when butterfly sit on the edge of bottle, flirting her colorful wings, but silently seeing the butterfly that what will happen next. Suddenly, Bunty heard a sound of falling something and saw that coconut has fallen from the tree. When Bunty turned back towards the jar to see, he saw that the butterfly had gone. Bunty first sadly see the empty jar, but afterwards he is happy that butterfly has gone to the world where he belongs. So students, every living creature need a freedom. Freedoms make them alive. Now students, we will take a short Hindi summary what we have learned today. So students, for Bunty it is very difficult. That means Bunty के लिए बटरफ्लाई कैच करना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट था, बट वह उसने अपनी बायोलॉजी साइंस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बटरफ्लाई को कैच किया ताकि वह अपनी साइंस टीचर और एज वेल एज उसके फ्रेंड्स को दिखा सके और कुछ डिफरेंट सबसे कर सके। फिर बंटी जब स्कूल से रिटर्न आता है तो वह बटरफ्लाई का जो जार होता है वो एक टेबल पर प्लेस कर देता है। फिर बंटी सोने चले जाता है, बट नाइट में बीच में एट मिडनाइट उसकी नींद क्या है खुल जाती है। तब जब उसकी नींद खुलती है तो वह बटरफ्लाई के जार की तरफ जाकर बटरफ्लाई को देखता है, तो वह पाता है कि जो बटरफ्लाई है वो मूव नहीं कर रही है। अब बटरफ्लाई मूव नहीं कर रही थी तो बंटी क्या करता है, उसके जार को हिलाता है ताकि बटरफ्लाई मूव करे, उसके विंग्स को हिलाए। बट बंटी देखता है कि बटरफ्लाई मूव नहीं करती है और वह बिल्कुल भी मूव नहीं कर पाती है। वह ऐसे बिल्कुल एकदम से स्टॉप, बिल्कुल ले स्टिल, मतलब बिल्कुल एक जगह पर बिल्कुल हो जाती, अधमरी सी हो जाती है, वी कैन कॉल इट अधमरी। सो बंटी जो होता है वो शॉक हो जाता है और एकदम से वरीड हो जाता है कि ये क्या हो गया। फिर बंटी के दिमाग में आइडिया आता है कि बटरफ्लाई को भी फ्रेश एयर की जरूरत है ताकि वह ब्रीथ या फिर सांस ले सके। तो वह अपने घर से बाहर की तरफ भागता है। वह अपने बैकयार्ड में जाकर खड़ा हो जाता है और जो बटरफ्लाई का जो ग्लास जार होता है उसका जो लीड होता है, दैट मीन्स जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट होता है, उसको खोल देता है। तो क्या होता है, बटरफ्लाई एकदम से अपने विंग्स को फ्लटर, दैट मीन्स हिलाकर जो ग्लास के कॉर्नर जार का जो एजेस होते हैं वहां कर बैठ जाती है। एंड बंटी उसे फिर ध्यान से उसकी कलरफुल विंग्स देखता रहता है, बिल्कुल चुपचाप होके, ताकि वह धीरे से देख पाए कि बटरफ्लाई उड़ती है या नहीं। बट एकदम से फिर बंटी को जोर से आवाज आती है कुछ गिरने की और वह पीछे पलट कर देखता है तो वह पाता है कि पीछे जो कोकोनट का जो ट्री है वहां से एक कोकोनट फॉल होके नीचे गिर गया है। और जैसे ही वह फिर से बैक बटरफ्लाई को देखने के लिए आगे देखता है तो वह पाता है कि बटरफ्लाई जो है वो फ्लाई होकर उड़ गई। बंटी थोड़ा सा सैड भी होता है और अब उस एम्प्टी जार को, खाली जार को वो देखता रहता है थोड़ी देर। फिर वह बाद में बंटी हैप्पी हो जाता है कि जो बटरफ्लाई है वो अपने वर्ल्ड में वापस चली गई है, बिकॉज वो उसी वर्ल्ड से बिलोंग करती है, क्योंकि वो वहीं रहती है। सो लिविंग क्रिएचर नीड्स अ फ्रीडम। फ्रीडम मेक्स देम अलाइव। We do not have the rights to trap them. Now students, we will come to some hard words. Hard words that is patted. To open something with the flat hands. Flapped. To move. Third. Sound of something heavy falling. Perched. To sit on the edge. Perched means to sit on the edge. That means the butterfly sit on the edge of the glass bottle. So student, this story will have finished now. Students, thanks for watching this video, and if there is any doubt, you can ask me anytime.